Aww. Come here. Go walk in here. Closer here, my love. David, Pikachu. That's Matthias. Oh, did it tickle you? Oh, they're kissing. They're in love. David, Pikachu. Matthias took him out in the cage. You like it, Matthias?
Ow, 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 ow.
Hey, you guys fighting?
Ow.
Hala, Nak, they're fighting, Nak. Oh no, they're fighting, Daddy. Pikachu and David fighting. Oh, they're
Ow,
Hi, David. Oh, look at Matthias. He's here with me now. Oi! Oi! Please don't poop, Pikachu. No pooping in my head. I'm with my headphones. And here's David in my hand. Hi, David. Hi, David. Si David rin. Hi, Pikachu. No poo-poo. No poo-poo. Okay? No poo-poo. Oh, look, Matthias, he go in my other arm. Oh, gosh.
They're playing.
Here.
Oi!
They're flying everywhere na. Ah, Daddy got him. Where's Pikachu? Where's Pikachu? Kid ni Mami Cho. Oi! Pikachu-chay. Si Pikachu-chay. Si Pikachu-chay. Ano na sila bedtime? Bedtime na ito, Pikachu. Pikachu. Look at him, Ezekiel. She's nice. Look. Oh, what you doing? What you doing? Oi. Look at him. Survival mode in my pets. Someone like Ezekiel likes my pets. Oi, survival mode. Ano? Ay! He's picking my back!
It's a pleasure to meet you, Boo. No,
Kiwi and Tails don't get out. The daddy leave it open. Oh.
congratulations. That's nice.
Since they don't want to get out, I guess close the door na. Nighttime na, nighttime. Good night, cuties. Good night, David. David and Pikachu loves to go out all the time. Hi, Tails. Tails and Kiwi just wanna hang out inside. Hi, David. Kiwi. Si Pikachu. Pikachu, chok, chok. Nag-eat sila, nag-eat. Tulo na lang ang among bird. Luoy kayo mong David. Wala na ang David. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Hello. Pikachu, Kiwi, and Tails. Sila na lang ang among David. Wala na. Bali na mo sila din. Hindi na mo sila gibutang. Diyan na mo sa mong dakong window. Ayan. Sila na lang tulo. Uy, kaya mong David na. Wala na tam. Hello! Limpyo lang na ako sa kuano. Nanapoy tai. Kailis lang na ako sa I just changed it the other day. There, we put newspaper. So it's easy to clean. Just throw the newspaper. Now it's getting dirty again. Cutesy, cutesy, cutesy. Cutesy, cutesy, cutesy. Yan sila. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Sila busy. Among gitapan, we put tape here cause they usually tanggal. We'll always open it. So now it's tape. They can't knock it off anymore. Para ma-prevent ang katong sa water area na malibangan nila, ma-poop. Not, they won't poop in their water. And their food. Yan. Naman yung Ellie namin. Hi, Ellie. Chirp! Megatron is waiting for Kuan. His snack daw. Yummy snack. Megatron, is that yummy snack? Si Megatron. The mouse one, okay? Megatron, Ming Ming. Waiting na si Ming Ming ba? Yummy snack na, Ming. Ming? Yaw is snack, Ming. Maluwi ka sa mga birdies, Ming. Kuha na kong jacket ni Daddy. Si Megatron nag-waiting, oh. What's that, Megatron? Ming Ming! What's that, Ming? Yummy snack na, Ming. Yummy snack, Ming. Or that's your new friend, huh? Yeah, Ming Ming? That your new friend? That's his new friend in the house. Nag-school ang mga bata. Hello. Hello, babies. Ayan sila, oh. Out na ni sila earlier, oh. Ayan sila, oh, mga cuties. Ilang bath bowl. Yan akong gibat sila, nag-cabbage, butang na akong cabbage, wala yung gulay. No other veggies. And then water. Hi, chirpy chirpy.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.